Hey, seventh graders. So you are in the first part of your self-paced summary writing process. So we're going to start with the basics. What is a summary? You should have a basic idea, but we need to review to make sure we're all starting in the same place and so that you can build on these skills as you write your own summary. So a summary is a good way to organize the information that you have read. So in definition, a summary restates the main idea and most important details of a selection. So a restatement would be a simple synonym of the word summary. How can you put it in other words, say it a different way, and usually shorter? A summary is shorter and simpler, but a summary still includes all the essential information. So if you looked at this chart over here on the left, this would be an example of what's in an original text. And then in a summary, it's less. So you take out all the minor details, but you still have the main idea and the important details in your short summary. So here's how to summarize. You need to find or infer the main idea, then identify the most important supporting details. So this is the process we worked on when we looked at main idea. You use graphic organizers to help you identify important details and then come up with a main idea using those tips of looking at the title, asking yourself a question about the topic, restating it into a statement, and then checking to make sure that encompass the whole selection. So you use that process of finding main idea when you're writing a summary. Here are some helpful rules. Summarizing is a very important research skill. So as you move into research writing, we'll be doing a research paper with social studies soon, and it helps you to show that you understand what you are reading. So here is how you summarize. Number one, use only the author's most important ideas. Often there's interesting facts and all sorts of little details that make a text interesting to read. But when we're summarizing, we want to really focus just on what's the essential information. And number two tip, put the ideas in your own words. You don't want to be guilty of plagiarism. And number three, make your summary about 1/3 as long as the original. So we're not just stating the main idea, making it one sentence and being done. We're still including some of those important details. So it should be about 1/3 the length. So if you read a 3-page document, a good summary would be about 1 page, as an example. Here's an example of a selection from an article on dolphin behavior. Pause the video and read these 2 paragraphs, please. All right, so is this paragraph below a good summary of the passage? Why or why not? How about this one? Compared to the other summary, how is it different? All right, now it's your turn. I want you to read this short article about dolphin moms and write a short summary of the information. So notice that this is 4 short paragraphs. So your summary can be 1 very short paragraph. All right, check your work with Ms. Kraft.